Theta value equivalent to 19.2784 rands a coin. The present cost range, 18.7000 to 19.6661. The earlier day close, 19.2998. The change was 0.0214, 0.11%. Reverse rate, ZAR to Theta. Theta cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Theta cost expectation on Friday, April 14, cost 19.02 rands, high 20.35, low 17.69. Theta figure on Monday, April 17, cost 18.56 rands, high 19.86, low 17.26. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, April 18, cost 19.50 rands, high 20.87, low 18.14. Theta figure on Wednesday, April 19, cost 19.30 rands, high 20.65, low 17.95. In multi-week Theta cost expectation on Thursday, April 20, cost 19.53 rands, high 20.90, low 18.16. Theta figure on Friday, April 21, cost 19.30 rands, high 20.65, low 17.95. Theta cost expectation on Monday, April 24, cost 19.17 rands, high 20.51, low 17.83. Theta figure on Tuesday, April 25, cost 19.18 rands, high 20.52, low 17.84. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, April 26, cost 20.07 rands, high 21.47, low 18.67. In about 14 days Theta conjecture on Thursday, April 27, cost 19.76 rands, high 21.14, low 18.38. Theta cost expectation on Friday, April 28, cost 19.01 rands, high 20.34, low 17.68. Theta conjecture on Monday, May 1, cost 19.54 rands, high 20.91, low 18.17. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, May 2, cost 20.14 rands, high 21.55, low 18.73. Theta conjecture on Wednesday, May 3, cost 19.69 rands, high 21.07, low 18.31. In 3 weeks Theta cost expectation on Thursday, May 4, cost 21.00 rands, high 22.47, low 19.53. Theta conjecture on Friday, May 5, cost 20.72 rands, high 22.17, low 19.27. Initially cost at 18.52 rands, excessive cost 21.47, while low cost 17.26. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 19.07. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 19.01, change for April 2.6%. Theta figure for May 2023. Before all else cost at 19.01 rands. The found the middle value of cost 21.32. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 22.48. Change for August 16.0%. Exorbitant cost 22.48, while low cost 17.56. The found the middle value of cost 20.35. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 18.88. Change for September 16.0%. Theta cost expectation for October 2023. At the outset cost at 18.88 rands. Excessive cost 18.88, while low cost 14.75. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 17.09. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 15.86. Change for October 16.0%. Theta conjecture for November 2023. At the outset cost at 15.86 rands. Excessive cost 18.60, while low cost 15.86. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 16.93. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 17.38. Change for November 9.6%. Theta cost expectation for December 2023. At the outset cost at 17.38 rands. Excessive cost 18.31, while low cost 15.91. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 17.18. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 17.11. Change for December 1.6%. Theta conjecture for January 2024. At the outset cost at 17.11 rands. Excessive cost 17.11, while low cost 14.19. The found the middle value of cost 15.92. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 15.26. Change for January 10.8%. Theta cost expectation for February 2024. First and foremost cost at 15.26 rands. Exorbitant cost 18.62, while low cost 15.26. The found the middle value of cost 16.64. Exorbitant cost 17.40, while low cost 15.07. The found the middle value of cost 16.52. The found the middle value of cost 14.67. The earlier days nearby 0.0518. Change for now plus 0.0001 plus 0.19%. ZAR to Theta cost expectation for in the not so distant future and month. Rand to Theta conjecture on Friday, April 14, cost 0.053 coins, high 0.057, low 0.049. ZAR to Theta forecast on Monday, April 17, cost 0.054 coins, high 0.058, low 0.050. Rand to Theta gauge on Tuesday, April 18, cost 0.051 coins, high 0.055, low 0.048. ZAR to Theta forecast on Wednesday, April 19, cost 0.052 coins, high 0.056, low 0.048. ZAR to Theta expectation for April 2023. In the first place cost at 0.054 coins, exorbitant cost 0.058, while low 0.047. The found the middle value of cost 0.053. The ZAR to Theta gauge toward the month's end 0.053, change for April 1.9%. Rand to Theta gauge for May 2023. To start with cost at 0.053 coins, exorbitant cost 0.057, while low 0.045. The found the middle value of cost 0.052. The ZAR to Theta estimate toward the month's end 0.053, change for May 0.0%. ZAR to Theta expectation for June 2023. First and foremost cost at 0.053 coins, exorbitant cost 0.064, while low 0.053. The found the middle value of cost 0.057. Rand to Theta estimate for July 2023. First and foremost cost at 0.059 coins, exorbitant cost 0.059, while low 0.048. The found the middle value of cost 0.055. The ZAR to Theta estimate toward the month's end 0.052, change for July 11.9%. ZAR to Theta expectation for August 2023. First and foremost cost at 0.052 coins, exorbitant cost 0.052, while low 0.042. The found the middle value of cost 0.048. The ZAR to Theta estimate toward the month's end 0.044, change for August 15.4%. Rand to Theta figure for September 2023. Initially cost at 0.044 coins, excessive cost 0.057, while low 0.044. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.050. The ZAR to Theta figure toward the month's end 0.053, change for September 20.5%. ZAR to Theta expectation for October 2023. Initially cost at 0.053 coins, excessive cost 0.